Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another African threading hairstyle for you guys. Such a beautiful, great, versatile, protective style. And I'm also going to be introducing you guys to CurlSmith Strength Recipe, which is a great product line to use to do protective styles like this to keep your hair healthy and strong. So yeah, let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to all my new subscribers from my previous African threading video. So today I have another African threading video for you guys. This video I'm going to be combining two different techniques of African threading. If you haven't watched my two previous videos on the two techniques, I suggest that you watch those before you watch this one, or watch them immediately after this one, because I go into more detail on how to do the two techniques in both videos. So basically what I did for this style is I did the needle and thread method here, and then regular threading all for the remainder of my hair. And I'm also going to be introducing you guys to CurlSmith Strength Recipe, and that just goes perfectly well with this video because this is a protective style. So the products I'm using are products that help to strengthen your hair from inside and improve its elasticity. When you use good products like that and you put your hair in a protective style, it helps you to retain length if you're trying to get over hair damage or anything like that. I intend to keep this in for 3 weeks. I really love this style and I really want to enjoy the time it took for me to do it. So yeah, if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Turn the notification bell so I get notified for when I upload my videos. And without further ado, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. So we're gonna start with cleansing. I'm gonna be washing my hair now. I'm gonna be using the CurlSmith Strength Recipe Core Strength Shampoo. So this is basically a gentle cleanser that cleanses your hair without excessively stripping it of its natural oils. It also helps to strengthen your hair as well, because if you're someone that has for instance really high porosity hair due to damage, when you're washing your hair, your strands can tend to fill up with a lot of water and that can lead to damage. So this shampoo actually contains proteins and ingredients that help to reinforce your strand and strengthen your strand from inside to prevent it from absorbing too much water and becoming weaker. That also helps to reduce the amount of breakage you get while you're washing your hair. You can actually use this shampoo every day if you're someone that likes to wash your hair every day. Yes, it contains protein, but not an excessive amount. It's a really low dosage that is still effective, but not overwhelming. It's also safe for color-treated hair. Some of the ingredients are hemp seed and rice protein, which are plant-based proteins that are similar to keratin and improve your hair's elasticity. It also contains prickly pear, kale, guava, blackcurrant, pumpkin seeds, and mushroom that help to strengthen your hair. So after washing, I deep conditioned as usual, but I didn't film that part because I didn't want to make the video too long. But what I use to deep condition is actually what I also use as my leave-in moisturizer, which is the Multitasking Conditioner. You guys are going to see it in a bit. And I went ahead and did most of my hair just to practice the style before I started filming. And you guys, I am so in love with this. Our hair is so versatile. There's so much we can do with our hair. It's crazy. But anyways, I'm about to start doing the front piece. As you can see, I have a section of my hair in front from ear to ear. Those are the sides I did the needle and thread flat twist. And then I have 4 sections left for the single pieces. So basically, I usually go ahead and section my hair before I start threading just to make everything easier. So I have an idea of how many sections I have to do. And this is the thread I'm using. Like I said before, you can get this on Etsy. You can get this at African Bead Supply stores or even on Amazon. So I'm showing you guys how to prepare the thread. So for the single pieces, you want to double the thread. So basically, make sure that it's long enough to where you can wrap your entire section of hair. Whenever it's too short, it's usually difficult trying to join more threads, and sometimes it can get messy. Just make sure it's long enough and make sure you knot it at the end. So this is how the thread should look, doubled. So I am going to start by moisturizing my hair. I'm spraying some water to make my hair damp, just to hydrate it, because again, this is a protective style, so I want my hair to be properly hydrated and moisturized. Now I'm going to be taking the Multitasking Conditioner. You guys already know how much I really like this stuff. I've used it in previous videos. It's so versatile. You can use it as a deep conditioner, you can use it as a rinse out conditioner, you can use it as a leave-in. It really hydrates and moisturizes your hair, and it contains ingredients that strengthen your hair bonds from the inside. It's also a good primer if you're going to be using other styling products, and it softens your hair as well. Next, I'm going to be applying the bonding oil on it. This one really gives your hair a nice, smooth, soft feeling, and I usually apply it mostly on my ends because my ends are the oldest part of my hair that need extra strength and reinforcement. It's very lightweight, so it's not going to make your hair feel greasy, and because of that, it really absorbs well into your hair. So it's good for sealing in moisture. That's why you should apply good moisturizing products first before using this. It also contains proteins and ingredients that help to smooth down split ends. So as you can see, I'm about to start doing that section. So I twist the roots like I did in my previous threading video. And I'm going to take my piece of thread and just wrap around the roots. Don't do this too tight because you don't want to create too much tension on your scalp. This is supposed to be a protective style. A protective style is supposed to be comfortable for you. So after wrapping my roots, as you can see, I am going to start threading the remaining portion of my hair. I have a previous video where I show you guys how to do this particular method of African threading where you leave gaps as you're threading. So yeah, if you want to see it, I'm going to link it down below if you guys want a more detailed tutorial. And when you're done, I also go ahead and put beads at the ends. And I also show you guys how to put the beads in that video. As you saw, I didn't wrap the entire length of my hair in thread. I left some gaps as I was threading my hair. That is what creates the beauty of this style. And I'm also going to cut off the extra thread at the end. Then I'm going to move on to another section. Twist the roots first before you start to wrap the thread around the roots. Whenever I'm doing protective styles, I like to use products that really moisturize, hydrate, and strengthen my hair. Like I said, it's a protective style. So you want to use products that are going to keep your hair nice and strong while it's in the protective style. This helps to reduce breakage, improve your hair's elasticity, and helps you to retain more length. The Multitasking Conditioner and the Bonding Oil are a really nice combo for a wide range of hair types because yes, they contain protein but not in an excessive amount. They contain just enough to do what it needs to do without overwhelming your hair. This was the same combo I actually used when I did my recent curly fro video. These two products go really well together, and you can apply just these two products together and have fully moisturized hair without applying anything else. The Multitasking Conditioner contains murumuru and shea, which are well-known butters that help to soften your hair and improve its elasticity. The bonding oil contains vegan keratin, which penetrates the hair shaft to strengthen it, and it also contains castor oil, apricot oil, and sea buckthorn oil, which lubricate your hair and make it soft for styling. Like I said before, the products in the strength recipe line are great for a wide range of hair types, but they are especially great for people that have high porosity hair due to damage because all the products in the line are formulated to restore and reinforce your hair. So now I'm just doing the front sections for the needle and thread flat twist portion. I'm gonna have 6 sections there, so six sections on the right, 6 sections on the left, and the entire front section goes from ear to ear. So now I'm going to show you guys how to prepare the thread for this part. So you want to quadruple the thread, so you're going to put it into 4. You're going to have one looped end and one open end like that, folded to make 4. Then you're going to pass the open end through the needle like that, and then tie the end. So you tie the open end and the looped end together. So that's how it's supposed to look. So now I'm about to do a section, and I start by twisting the beginning part of the section, just a little bit of the beginning part, just to make sure that my hair is gripped nicely. And then I'm going to take my needle and pass it through. So when I get to the end, I use my finger to hold the end of the thread like that and fold it into my hair, then keep using the needle to just go around, looping it around the section. Again, I have a previous video where I do this in detail, and I use bigger thread, a fatter, wider diameter thread to do it so it's more visible. So I'm going to link that video at the top or down below if you guys want to watch that. If you want a more detailed explanation on how to do the needle and thread method, if this video isn't clear enough for you. So this method is supposed to mimic flat twist. So if you don't know how to flat twist, this is a great method for you. It's very simple. Just make sure you don't poke yourself with the needle. So yeah, like I said, it's easier to get someone to do this for you. But anyways, when you get to the end, you just simply do the regular wrapping method where you wrap the thread around the hair at intervals. And as usual, when you get to the end, you put the beads and wrap everything together. Now I'm doing another section. So as you can see, I'm twisting the beginning parts of the section just to make sure that my hair is gripped nicely. And then I'm going to pass the needle through my hair, use my finger to hold the end of the thread, and then keep using the needle to loop the thread around the section to create the illusion of a flat twist. I just keep doing that, creating those loops, looping the thread around my hair with the needle till I get to the end, and then I start to wrap the thread around my hair at intervals. You can actually use this needle and thread method to do a style that mimics cornrows. African threading is so versatile. There are so many ways you can thread your hair depending on the outcome that you want. So now I'm done threading my hair. This is the outcome. This style is just beyond gorgeous. I'm going to tie my hair with a satin scarf and just go to bed, and I'll come back and show you guys the full look with makeup and everything. But this, I'm just turning around so you guys will see how it is looking. This is all my hair, no added hair. So this is actually 2 or 3 days later, and as you can see, the hair is still looking fresh. All I do is just go to bed with a satin scarf, and that is it. I'm going to film update videos for you guys showing you how I maintain this. I saw a lot of those questions in my previous video, so don't worry, I got you guys on maintenance since I'm keeping this in for a long time. Next, I'm going to be taking the Bouncy Strength Volume foam. This is basically a styling foam for your hair if you want to do like roller sets and stuff like that. You can also use it on styles like this. You know how when you do braids or twists and then you put foam in your hair just to make sure everything is properly laid down, give it extra shine, and it also smells amazing too. So that just adds to the beauty and just really finishing up the style, especially if you have a lot of flyaways and stuff like that. Then I'm gonna just take something and tie my hair around just to make sure everything is nicely laid down properly. Leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes, and this is the final result. This is such a beautiful style. Like when I tell you I am in love, our hair can do so much. It's crazy how we've been bamboozled into thinking our hair isn't beautiful and we can't do stuff with our hair. Like, this is just gorgeous. I can't wait to take this on vacation. I can't wait to rock my hair like this throughout the summer. Definitely let me know what you guys think down below. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I did smaller sections this time just to see how it will look, and it still looks really nice, but it does take a longer time to do. Like, this took me about a day and a half. Granted, I was stopping in between, but still, I suggest if you want to do this, ask someone to do it for you. It's definitely faster if someone else is doing your hair for you, but if you're doing it by yourself, it's going to take quite some time. And yeah, if you've ever been in a situation where you've done something to your hair that you regret, or maybe you're one of those people that it's always blow drying your hair or using heat on your hair so your hair is getting weaker, or if you're one of those people that is that leaves deep conditioner in your hair for too long and your hair starts to suffer from hydro fatigue, or if you're one of those, or if you're someone that has very high porosity hair from hair damage or hair coloring or anything like that, and your strands are weaker, the products in this line are actually formulated specifically for that, to restore your hair and give it strength. Your hair strands aren't supposed to absorb too much water. When your hair strands absorb an excessive amount of water, and the water gets into the core of your strands, it can actually make your strand start to like expand, and that weakens the strand and causes damage, which makes your hair start to break off. That's one thing about like the protein moisture balance in your hair. If your hair has too much moisture in it to the point where it's almost suffering from hydro fatigue and it has absorbed too much water, you need to put protein in your hair to balance it out. And if your hair has too much protein, then you need to put in more moisture to balance it out. If you're in that kind of situation, you need to look for products that help to strengthen your hair from inside, products that help to give your hair elasticity to prevent breakage and damage. And this is exactly what this line is formulated to do, because it contains a lot of proteins, especially plant proteins that mimic keratin, that help to reinforce and strengthen your hair and improve its elasticity. I'm going to leave the links for where you can get all the products down below in the description box, and also like any coupon codes, discount codes, or anything like that. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Let me know if you guys have tried any of these products before. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below, on my face on this side. Also, do not forget to watch my other natural hair videos on this side. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.